So I'm printing a small engine, I think it's called mini engine. See what it looks like in a bit. It's all in one pot there. It's good. There are a couple of things I noticed about this design which I like really, and the beauty about this design is that it's using two holes there, so the air goes through this one then through that one, as in the case like through there and through there. So the clever thing about this is that when the air goes through say that one, this one here, the air comes out through there, out there, and vice versa like this. So it's really interesting really. The only thing I don't understand is why is this not a round shape, maybe because this is this particular shape, so that's not round, but obviously air will go straight through, it'll be there, it'll be wasted, because when this goes down, sorry, when this goes down like that, unless it's blocking it, oh, it blocks it like that, so yeah, obviously it's not wasted. And like this, very nice design. I think it's a brilliant way of designing this indeed. The thing I didn't understand about this particular holes there is it's oblong instead of just a round hole. I had to drill it a little bit to make these fit in, but that's it now. So I'm going to put it together now. So after a few tries, I made this slide all the way down there, which it wasn't doing before. It was going up to there kind of thing. Now I'm going to push this in as far as I can go, because I think it needs to go right flush against it, like that. That should be okay. I'm just going to file a little bit there off, and then put it together. It's on, but it's a bit tight. I'll loosen it a bit more. Okay, I think I noticed something here. The holes are not lined up. Where are they? The holes are not lined up. So if you put the hole there, they're not lined up. So I don't understand why that is, because this hole is not lined up. It's not going through there. This is certainly not going through there when that hits that. You can't put it any other way. This is the only way it can go. So these holes are not lined up with these holes in here. So it won't work unless at least one of the holes is lined up. It's way out. Look at this. It's way out. Way out here. I'm going to have to redo these holes and see what I can do. So the idea is I put this tape on, I'll put this through here, put this on here like this, and put this way around. It's not pulling there, that halfway there, and that should goes into there. Okay, maybe do it that way. On top. Let me get back to you. Okay, so I'll put this in like this. That's on top, in theory, roughly about there. Now I've got to mark the hole where it should be on that side there. So I've got a paper clip here. Hopefully it'll work, I'm not sure. There. That's where the hole should be. Then I'm going to drill a hole. Let's have a look. There it is. Can you see it there? So I'm going to drill a hole there, and then I'll see if it works. Okay, I've learned an important thing about the holes here. So where is it? There. So when I marked it, there's my marking right there, and there's the holes there, which is in line with that. So I'm thinking it would have worked, but I don't know why, but this is not in the right place. Sorry, this is not in the right place here. So maybe this will work now, I'm not sure. But this hole should match this hole. Hi guys, so what's happened is that this obviously doesn't work, fits there. I found out somebody else has redone this engine, and they say to reduce the Z by I think 61 or 62.1, something like that, size, and then it fits perfectly. Well, I don't want to do that, it's too much hassle. So I've blocked these holes here, this one, and I've blocked that hole there. So the only way this is going to come through is there. And I'm going to retry this, and this is a bit too wide for me, so I'm going to have to take some of it off, and then I'm going to try it again, see if it works. If not, then reprint this. Well guys, I had to make it into a wobbler, to be honest with you, because I didn't want to waste all this print, you know. I'm pretty sure that I just thought about something. You know, the hole I drilled there, I should have drilled another hole there and covered the other two big ones up, and it would have worked the same way. Could have worked exactly the same way like that it was designed to. But never mind, I've made it into a wobbler. Let's have a look if it works now. Oops. Oh yeah. Working really good there. I had to cut this down, like I said. It's not cut 100% square, as it were, or proper, but yeah. this wasn't lining up. But there you go. After all that, it's working. Subscribe, thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.